Hello, visionaries and digital storytellers. It's great to have you back on our channel. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, so let's embark on this journey together. And remember, stay tuned until the end for a special message.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the newly added features of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So, let's get started. First up, we have the A14 Bionic chip, which is the fastest ever in a smartphone. Next, let's talk about the camera. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with a triple camera system that includes an ultra-wide, wide, and telephoto lens. The ultra-wide lens allows you to capture more details in your photos.
This chip isn't just another component. It's the heart of the iPhone 15 Pro's revolutionary feature, the Capcut AI Script-to-Video. Now, envision crafting an entire video from a single prompt. Audio, images, text, every element woven together automatically, painting your script into a vibrant tapestry of visuals. Let's dive into this enchanting journey. You open Capcut and are greeted by the scripted video option. Here lies the canvas for your creativity. You can meticulously craft your script or, if you're feeling spontaneous, let the AI writer take the lead. Suppose you prompt it. Create a YouTube video showcasing the iPhone 15 Pro Max innovative features. With a tap on the arrow, a detailed script unfurls like a red carpet before your eyes. You can refine it, infuse it with your essence, then hit generate. Now, you're at a crossroads with two intriguing paths. The first, smart generation, is where the magic is unbridled. Choose this, and within moments, you have a video clip with all elements meticulously crafted by the AI. It's as if your thoughts have been plucked from your mind and breathed into life. You can tweak, replace elements, and add transitions, all while saving a treasure trove of time. But what if you're someone who likes to steer the ship? The second path, local materials, is for the hands-on creator. Follow the same steps, but this time, the system lays out a timeline with audio and text, leaving a space for your media. Here, you import your chosen clips, blending the AI's groundwork with your unique flair. This isn't just a technological leap, it's a creative revolution. It's a beacon for storytellers, vloggers, and dreamers. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or someone with a story itching to be told, the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Capcut AI Script-to-Video open a portal to a realm where your creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is a potential masterpiece waiting to be realized. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our work. We can't wait to see you in our next artificial intelligence tutorial video. Keep creating, keep innovating.